Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. I'm going to show you how to crochet checkers. It will be all in single crochet and in a small sample. So I made a foundation chain already of 16 plus 1. My checkers will be 4 stitches in width and 4 in height. That's why 16 plus 1 multiples by 4. So I'm starting with my first single crochet, then my second and my third, and my fourth one. I go into the chain, yarn over, pull through, and then I switch colors already to finish off this single crochet with my second color. And then I keep my yarn of the first color in the back, hold on to it, and then I single crochet into the next chain. Oops, single crochet. So into the chain, and you have the first color yarn on the hook too, and then you just do your single crochet. And the third one, and then in the fourth one, yarn over, pull through, and then you switch to your first color to finish the single crochet. And then you hold on your second color in the back of the chain, and you go on with 3 single crochet, into the fourth one, yarn over, pull through, and then you switch to your second color to finish off this single crochet. Hold on your first color in the back of the chain, go into your next single crochet, into your next chain to make a single crochet, 3, and we are at the end. So we make a full single crochet in the same color. And then chain 1, you turn, and you take your first color with you, hold on, and you go into your first stitch, catch the yarn of the first color and make your first single crochet, and then your second, and then your third, and then you go on your fourth, into your fourth, and then just pull through, and you finish off with your first color. Hold on your second color in the back, and then go into the next stitch to make a single crochet. Just a half one for the last one, and then you switch color and you finish off this one with your second color. Hold on your first yarn in the back and then go into the next stitch and pull through. So 3 normal ones, and then the fourth one only the half one, and then you switch and you finish off with the second color. And then into the next stitch, hold on your first yarn, second yarn in the back. 1, 2, 3, and we finish this row. So 4 full single crochet. Chain 1 and turn. Hold on your yarn in the back of the second color and then start with your first stitch. Include your yarn of the second color, and then the second and the third, and then in the fourth, yarn over and switch to your second color. Hold on your first color in the back and then go on with single crochet in your second color. Three normal or full single crochet, and then the fourth one just a half one. Switch your color and finish off with your first color. Hold on your second color in the back and then go on with your first color. So 3 full single crochet, and the fourth one a half one. Switch your color and finish off with the second color. Hold on your yarn of the first color in the back and then to finish this row with 4 single crochet. Oops, I have to go back. I forgot my yarn of the first color. That can happen too, but it's easily to go back and redo it. Yeah. There you can see it's evenly done. There is the checkers.